Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the transfer box oil on Volkswagen T-Roc. This transfer box is a single-stage bevel gear unit and is designed for the MQ350 transmission family. This transfer box usually falls under the 0A or of the 0AV part number prefixes. This is the transfer box that we're going to be replacing the oil on. It's directly mounted on the passenger side of the transmission. This is the drain plug right there, and the filler plug is on top just next to the CV axle. That's the filler plug at the top right there. Before draining the oil, first we need to loosen the filler plug and maybe remove it, and then we're going to drain the oil. I want to remove the filler plug first because I have to make sure that I can fill the transfer box once I drain the oil. To remove the filler plug, I'm going to use this socket Allen key size 5. To remove the filler plug, I'm going to use a long extension like this, and I'm going to loosen first the filler plug and then remove it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, I have linked to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. That's the filler plug right there removed. Now next I'm going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. That's the drain plug removed. Now I'm going to wait for the oil to drain and then put the drain plug back on and tighten it. That's the drain plug tightened. Next I'm going to fill the transfer box with oil. Before I fill the transfer box with oil, first I'm going to show you the oil specifications for this transfer box and also the capacity. Next I'm going to fill the transfer box with oil. First I'm going to put this hose inside the filler hole of the transfer box, and I'm going to pump in about 1 liter of oil, and I'm going to use my hand pump. This is my hand pump that I'm using to fill the transfer box with oil. Now I'm going to add about 1 liter of oil inside the transfer box, and once the oil is at maximum level, the oil will start flowing out of the filler hole. We'll continue to pump the oil in until, like I said, the oil starts flowing out of the filler hole. Once the oil starts flowing from the filler hole, I'm going to remove the hose and put the filler plug back on and tighten it. Here we can see oil started flowing from the filler hole, so now I'm going to remove the hose and put on the filler plug and tighten it. Once the oil started flowing from the filler hole, that means that the oil level is at the maximum level in the transfer box. And now I'm going to tighten the filler plug, and then I'm done with replacing the transfer box oil. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.